Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab meat step by step. First, ensure you have high-quality crab meat, either fresh or properly thawed from frozen. Thawing in the refrigerator is best. Before cooking, it's crucial to gently pick through the crab meat to remove any lingering shell fragments. This simple step guarantees a more enjoyable eating experience, free from unexpected crunch. Once prepared, you have several delicious cooking options. Steaming is a popular choice, taking just about 5 to 7 minutes until the crab is heated through. Alternatively, you can boil it in a large pot of salted water for a similar time frame. For a richer flavor, consider sautéing your crab meat in a pan with some butter for a few minutes until warmed. To truly elevate your crab meat, consider enhancing its natural sweetness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is a simple yet effective way to brighten the flavor profile. Incorporating fresh herbs such as parsley, dill, or chives can add wonderful aromatic notes. For a classic and indulgent touch, sautéing with a bit of minced garlic and butter creates an irresistible combination that perfectly complements the crab. For the best experience, serve your freshly cooked crab meat immediately, perhaps with a side of melted butter or a light dipping sauce. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them promptly in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh for up to 2 days. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.